I became a police officer in the year 2000. I've been on for 11 years. It was something that I always wanted to do ever since I was a little kid.
I have known Officer Woodrow since 2006 when I was assigned to the Patrol West Bureau. And at that time, Nikki was a community police officer and worked to resolve issues that they had going on.
I'm on Beat 12, which is the Delano area. Around Douglas and Seneca is where I mainly patrol at. I've patrolled there for about a total of 7 years of my career, so I've gotten to know a lot of people around there.
She worked to get to know the business owners and realized that some of the concerns that they had were involving the homeless population that seemed to be increasing in the area.
I just started talking to them, getting to know them. Most of the guys and gals that live out there are very interesting, very good-hearted people that have just been down on their luck. You just start to build a rapport with them, get to know them. And from that, it stemmed into a friendship with a lot of these, guys. They trusted me, I trusted them, and we just started working together.
The homeless population sees Nikki as somebody who truly sees them. I think a lot of times people just pass them on the street, don't make eye contact, don't look at them, ignore them. Her wanting to help and her compassion for other people just kind of snowballed and led her to realize that there were services available that these people weren't taking advantage of. And a lot of times they weren't taking advantage of them because they didn't know how to go about applying or even the ability to get to the office where they needed to go to apply for services. And so she would start picking them up and taking them where they needed to be so that they could apply for resources or services to help.
It's very humbling. When my lieutenant told me that she had nominated me and I had won, it was a really good feeling because now I know I make a difference, and it's just exciting to maybe get that out there so more people will take a minute and make a difference themselves.
She's one of those officers that just takes it a step further to make sure that the citizens or whoever she's trying to help at the time gets the help that they need. Because of her reputation with the homeless, they trust her. And if she goes and says, hey, one of my friends, the detective over here, needs to talk to you about a case, they're comfortable with doing that, knowing that Nikki wouldn't lead them astray or tell them something that wasn't true.
It's not because of my position as a police officer. It's just because it's something, that people need help. And if you reach out to somebody and just give them an extra minute or say hi or, give them a cheeseburger when they're hungry, that's the little things that make a big difference.